Fixed cost.
Fixed cost. Utilities. Let's jump over them. Okay. Okay. Then finally, whatever remains is inside revenue got something very important. What is it? Huh? The rate one just like what? Profit. Profit, yeah. Okay. But then again, have you heard profit there's negative, positive? P&L, profit or loss, right? Okay. So it's either P&L, so it can be negative or positive. Yes. Now let's find out. Overhead is negative or positive?
Negative.
Okay. GST tax. Fixed cost. Utilities. So finally your revenue come in, you minus off all this, then you decide whether you